Today we're doing something a little different, and I've actually already started it this morning. Sorry I didn't bring y'all along for the journey. I just kind of got on my own little mindset and was actually watching the new Mandalorian while I was doing it, and I forgot to pick y'all up. But what we're basically doing is this is an old platter that I used to. Well, I've already had one done this morning. Um, this was pink. We used to paint them, and then we mount these backs that are made out of this PVC or wood. Doesn't matter either. And then I used to paint them just like I used to paint the four cooks. And then I would screw these into place like so, and make a coat rack. They're a little close together for a coat rack, but I would say this one would be good for a dish rack, like in a kitchen for your dish towels. You know, but so that's what I had these up on the shelf from the back in the day, and we're just gonna do this. There's not gonna be a lot of talking during this one because I'm going to be trying to get the paint off, but then I'll assemble the other one and bring y'all along for the journey. Just getting some more stuff made for this art show coming up. Now, I think that is going to do it right there. So, just in case anyone out there thinks that I don't practice recycling in every aspect of my life, this is my junk drawer, and this is where we're going to pull screws out to hold them. These have come off of some new installs, and a lot of just over time. I don't throw away the screws. Sometimes they're being taken out of something. But either way, we're going to pull out all of these that we can. That will work for holding these screws on. What I'm looking for today are button head screws, preferably with a Phillips head, just like that. Do need to get, I would like to find matching ones, since it is a piece that will likely be in someone's kitchen or house. Two of those. And if anyone's interested in seeing these in reality, and you happen to be in South Carolina this weekend, which is going to be April 1st and 2nd, I am going to be in Myrtle Beach doing the Art in Common show. I'll be back in Myrtle Beach at the end of this month doing the Art in the Park show. I'm working on getting a local show that I'll be at every week, or every Thursday, I should say, but I haven't gotten that completely finished yet. So I don't know if y'all are interested anyway. I don't know if any of y'all are close to where we are. Let's see here. Starting to come up with quite a few. That'll be good candidates for this. It takes much longer to do this. It'd be much easier if I just order off a package of screws that I grab and the exact length that I need. But it would kind of go against the company or the art that I try to do, you know? I'll take these smaller ones too. Some of these have been painted in the past. That's telling me that they've already been on these things before. I've used these before for other platter holders and whatnot. I used to do a lot of these coat racks, towel racks back in the day. They were a good use of my fork hooks. And it gives people ideas when I'm at the show of what they can do with them, because I sell both the hooks singular and I sell the pre-builts that can be hung on the wall. I enjoy both. Is that? That is. It's another one of these. And that can go. I am just kind of looking throughout. Christmas lights. Okay, well, I think we've got enough to put this together at least. We'll put that off to the side. And see, we used to have it hang off of this. I think this time I'm going to change that around a little bit. Let me look for something real. Oh. Yeah, I think this time what I'm going to do is go across here and I'm going to put screws in here. I'm going to drill a hole in the center, put screws in it, and a little bit of wire across it. But I don't, this was definitely not the, this might be it. Yep, this was actually the backer for this piece back in the day. Let me actually pause this real quick. And I'm going to cut another one of these and I'll be right back.